Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be making Ayamase stew. Ayamase is just like a fada stew. The difference is that you're going to be using green peppers instead of red peppers. So let us begin. Here are my peppers and onions. So I'm going to be crushing all this without adding water. The first thing is actually to cook your proteins, which I have done behind the camera. So here now I'm done crushing my peppers. We'll move on to bleaching the red oil. I have my egg boiling. I have my white rice over there. To make the bleaching process faster and also to prevent choking, just cover your pan with a lid. What I'm actually doing here is not a must. I'm doing it to make the frying so easy for me, and also I'm considering the quantity of oil I'm using. So if you must pour in everything, remember I didn't even add water while crushing this. The pepper produced all this water, so if you must pour in everything, please use enough oil so that it will fry faster. This is about 12 minutes after. Look at the oil is well bleached now. So I'll go in with my proteins. So my protein is just a mixture of cow tripe, that is shaki, and goat meat, nothing else. So you can add cow intestine, cow skin, that is pomo, or whatever you deem fit. I'm done frying the proteins. The next thing is to add locust beans, that is iru. I'll just fry for like a minute, and then I'm adding the peppers. So I'll combine everything and fry for like 7 to 8 minutes. It doesn't necessarily need to be that dry, but at least do it till you start seeing some of the oil float at the top, and then you are there. So this is what you should be aiming at, this look now. Adding the stock from our proteins. Add some seasoning cube. Lastly, I'll be adding some crayfish. Then combine everything, guys. This stew is everything. I don't know, for a reason, my husband prefers this ayamase to the regular ofada stew. There is no ayamase or ofada stew without egg, boiled egg. Even if there's only one place putting it there. So I just went in with my boiled egg. Remember to give the egg some pokings, like use your fork to poke the egg so that the sauce will really enter into the egg, and then that is it. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.